It was a lovely Saturday morning, the sun was shining and the birds were singing. The rescuer checked the dog for any injuries, but fortunately, he seemed unharmed. Starting off on a good note, the rescuer ran by the lake. Suddenly, something caught his attention. A dog struggling in the water, trying to reach the shore. Without hesitation, the rescuer immediately stopped and rushed towards the lake. The dog appeared distressed. Although anxious at first, the rescuer knew he couldn't witness the dog's struggles without taking action. The dog was exhausted, and it was a challenge to get him out of the water. But with effort, the rescuer carried him back to the shore. The rescuer checked the dog for any injuries, but fortunately, he seemed unharmed. The dog had a collar, and the rescuer searched for a tag with the owner's details but found nothing. The rescuer dried the dog off and provided food, water, and a comfortable resting spot. At first, the dog seemed scared, but eventually, he began to play with the rescuer. The rescuer sensed the dog's fear and confusion but reassured him that he was safe. The rescuer contacted the police to report the lost dog. But unfortunately, they couldn't find his owner. The dog stayed with the rescuer, and they developed a strong bond. They named him Buddy and showered him with love and attention. Initially timid, Buddy gradually warmed up to his rescuer. Today, Buddy is the rescuer's constant companion, filling his life with joy and love. Though the rescuer rescued Buddy that day, in reality, Buddy rescued him. Buddy taught the rescuer the true meaning of unconditional love and companionship. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe to see more videos. Goodbye and see you again.